Hey creative community, do you ever make something just to tear it apart like years later? So, the bohemian gypsy sort of curtains that I think we all kind of made back in the day. I think I made mine back in 2015 or 16. They're not practical for me. There's too much dust. I don't have a lot of fabric out in my house just because we have animals that have severe allergies. So I've decided to take those, or I took those and I gotta hurry up. I took all the fabric and all the fabric from those curtains and all the fabric that I just had laying around. Some of it is 25 years old, or I've had it for 25 years, so a lot of the fabric's older than that. I took a whole bunch of just ripped stuff. When the puppies were little, they like to do a lot of clawing, so if we ever left them alone, they would jump on the bed and claw and dig, just enough to rip the bottom sheet. So I have all this fabric that are bottom sheets. Rip my favorite flannel bear sheets, but all right. So anyways, no fabric in the house. It's too dusty, and so I just kind of cannibalized everything and sewed it all together and made a big, like, we have this big pop-up gazebo that you bring on picnics and stuff, and the cover's long gone, and I just decided to make a shade curtain for that for out in the deck. So I hope you guys enjoy. I am now taking the fabric that I've sewn together, I'm gonna lay it on the floor here so you can see it, and then I'm putting just a white border around it. So I'm gonna do that to all of these, and all the panels are different. It's just whatever I had. There we go. This is the next one I'm gonna do. So, yeah, so, hi, cool. You helping? Oh, you're helping, huh? Hi. He's helping, holding it down so it doesn't fly away like a magic carpet. Huh. Oh. I get new. Apparently, he's gonna lay there. You need me to make you a bed? So, set up here doing some sewing. I'm gonna put this all together now. Cinder's helping. Anubis is helping. Yeah. Like I said, Cole's helping. is the shade curtain up. I'm fitting it right now, getting a feel of how I want it to be. You hear those birds, it's early morning, just about dawn. So there's a whole bunch of pieces that are see-through and lace, so hopefully the wind can go right through this. Let's see. Yeah, good morning. Some of my potters are out here, so this is a nice little shaded area out here now. I'm out here planting some peas. Every few weeks I'll plant some more. That way we have a fresh batch. So there we go. There it is, guys. So in my spring vlog, I will have it finished. It's pretty much finished. I'm just gonna tidy up, cut all the strings, tidy up the edges, get those all evened out. I might pick a long panel for 2 of these sides just to completely get the sun shaded, but that's about it. I'll be hanging some beads and some little tiny little fairy bells and stuff in here, so. Scraps. Everything from like sheets to like this black and white stuff that I made that fabric. I made that fabric and that fabric. Those are old sheets. So I'm super excited. So it won't completely block out the sun, which is what I was looking for. So, good morning, good morning. It's a Sunday morning. Look at my chives. I gotta plant some more because the hummingbirds love these, and I don't want to use them up. Nighttime. Morning time. Alright, guys. I've got a couple things going on over here. My butterfly bush, that's a transplant, so he's looking pretty good. I've got this enormous, I think this is a dandelion, and I'm just letting her grow because look at this, man. Look how thick his stalk is. Whatever it is, it's happy. So, when I will show this when it's all done, it'll be all nice and grown up out here. I'll have a bunch more of my plants. They're a little more bushier. I love your faces. Look at the early morning light just coming through that. Isn't that cool? I'll take you guys up over there. It's like brighter under here. So yep, this is what we got. You can still see through it. Oh, make you dizzy, sorry. There we go. All the cushions I've been doing. So I had all these cushions, but they were all tore up. So this is just some old fabric I had from a Halloween hunt that I did. So I made these big overstuffed or big cushions so that way when these cushions need to be replaced, I can make my own and make them bigger. But I used just all old material. This is an old comforter, and we used it for a little while and realized it's really slippery. It's wet right now with the dew, but it's really slippery, and I slide off of it at night if I'm laying on top of it. So I cut it all up, and I basically just made like big sleeping bags, you know. So, did that the same with some other cushions just for decorating out chairs and making this area a little bit nicer out here. so you can start really seeing its colors. Now if I really wanted to go crazy, I could like, you know, the sides, all the stitching and whatnot, and the backwards I could put a back to it, but it's a shade curtain made out of scraps. I keep reminding myself that. So, but I think I might have made like a quilt in some sort. I think Rebecca, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. I think you got in my head with all your amazing, beautiful, talented, crazy quilts that I was just like, I have to like adhere fabric to fabric. So all I really, oh, there's a hole right there. I gotta take care of that. The only thing I really know how to do, I don't really know how to sew. I just know how to attach fabric to fabric. So. That's kind of cool. And there it is, you guys. My old boho curtains that just were very cool. You can tell which ones of those were the long strips. They were super, super cool. I loved having them, but I have too many animals with allergies, and no matter what I do, having extra fabric in the house was just not a good idea. So you may wonder why I would put this much time into something for outside that's just going to get bird pooped on and faded and probably ripped up by the wind, and who knows. But I had it. I needed to put some energy out on something, and yeah, this is it. So yes, even though it's just gonna be outside and fade, I think it looks pretty cool. Here's my glasses. Frogged them all up. excellent spring. Oh my gosh, it's so nice here. Kind of catch you up really quick on what we're doing as far as moving or not moving. It looks like we're not moving right now, and yeah, husband's still unemployed, so it's been a little while. He's getting a little stressed, but you know, the right things will happen for the right reasons, right? For the greater good. Okay guys, I love your faces, and I will see you next video. Bye!